Hello and welcome back to Coca English. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy you are here with us today. On this channel, we do one simple thing. We talk about one word every week. One word.
That's right. We help you understand one word really, really well. Its meaning, how to use it, and where you can hear it. Learning a language can be like a fun puzzle, and we are here to help you put the pieces together.
Today, we are talking about a word that is everywhere. It's on your clothes, in your music, and in your day. It's a word that helps us see order in our world. Are you ready, Layla?
I am ready, Sam. Today's word is pattern.
Pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern.
Let's say it together. Pattern.
Pattern.
Great. So, what is a pattern? Let's start with something you can see. Sam, look at your shirt. Tell me about it.
Ooh, I like this shirt. It's blue and white, and it has lines, blue lines and white lines.
Yes, and how are those lines? Are they just random? Are the blue lines in one place and the white lines in another?
No, they repeat. One blue line, one white line, one blue line, one white line. It's the same again and again.
Exactly. That repetition, that same design happening again and again is a pattern. So a pattern on clothes or on things you can see is a repeated design. Think of a beautiful rug with the same shapes and colors repeating. That's a pattern. A wallpaper with little flowers that repeat every 5 centimeters, that's a pattern.
So my shirt has a stripe pattern. Stripes are a very common pattern.
They are. And there are many other kinds of patterns. What about a shirt with little circles?
That's a polka dot pattern. My grandmother has a tablecloth with a polka dot pattern. It has red dots and white dots again and again.
Perfect. So we have stripe patterns, polka dot patterns, and checkered patterns, like a black and white chessboard. That is a very clear pattern. So a visual pattern is when a design repeats. But the word pattern is much bigger than that. It's not only for things we see.
It's not? What do you mean, Layla?
Well, think about our day. What do you do every morning, Sam?
Every morning? Well, I wake up, then I drink a glass of water, then I make coffee, then I listen to the news, then I come to the studio to record with you.
See, you do the same things in the same order every morning. That is a pattern too. It's a pattern of behavior. It's a habit. The way we do things again and again can be a pattern.
Oh, I see. So my morning routine is a pattern, and your morning routine is probably a different pattern.
It is. I wake up, I do some exercise, then I have tea, not coffee. So our lives are full of these behavior patterns. For example, every Saturday you go to the market. That is a pattern. Every evening you call your family. That is a pattern.
So a pattern can be something we do regularly. But you know what else has a pattern? Music.
Oh, yes. Tell me more.
Think of your favorite song. The music often has a beat that repeats. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. That repeating sound is a pattern. Or the way the words in the song repeat in the chorus. That's a language pattern.
That's a great example. So in sound and music, a pattern is a sequence of notes or beats that repeats. Nature is also full of patterns, isn't it?
It is. Look at a flower. The petals are often in a circular pattern, Look at a spider's web. It has a beautiful, complicated pattern. The seasons change in a pattern. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, and then it starts again. It's a yearly pattern.
Even our language has patterns. In English, we often put an S at the end of a word to mean more than one. One cat, two cats. One book, two books. That is a grammar pattern.
So, to summarize, a pattern is basically something that repeats in a regular or predictable way. It can be a visual design, like on my shirt, a behavior or habit, like my morning routine, a sound or sequence in music, something in nature, like a spider's web, or a rule in language, like adding S for plural.
You said it perfectly, Sam. The key idea is repetition and order. When we see a pattern, it helps us know what to expect. If you see the pattern of traffic lights, red, then green, then yellow, then red again, you know when to stop and when to go.
Patterns make the world less confusing. They help us understand things.
But sometimes we can have bad patterns too. For example, if you go to bed very late every night, that is a bad sleep pattern. It's not healthy. So we can try to change our bad patterns and start good ones.
Like the pattern of drinking more water every day. That's a good pattern to start.
Exactly. Now, let's think about how we use this word in a sentence. It's very easy. You can just say, I see a pattern, or it has a pattern.
For example, the blanket has a beautiful pattern of stars and moons.
Nice one. Or, I notice a pattern. You are always happy on Friday.
That's true. That is a pattern for me.
You can also use it with verbs. You can follow a pattern. For example, when you knit a sweater, you follow a knitting pattern.
Or you can break a pattern. If you always eat cake after dinner, but one day you eat fruit instead, you break the pattern.
Breaking patterns can be good sometimes. So, as you can see, the word pattern is a very useful and common word. It helps us describe the world around us, from the clothes we wear to the lives we live.
And now you know how to use it.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the word pattern with us today.
Yes, and now it's your turn. This is the most important part. We want you to practice. Go down to the comments below this video.
Yes, please do. Write a sentence for us. Use the word pattern. You can tell us about a pattern on your favorite t-shirt. Or you can tell us about a pattern in your day. Maybe you have a pattern of watching our videos every week.
We read all your comments, and we love to see your sentences. It helps you learn, and it makes us very happy.
So, thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep discovering the patterns in your English studies.
And we will see you next time on Coca English.